Hi, my name is Carlene and this is my channel, See It With C. Let's take a stroll through Central Park here on Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas. Come along. Welcome to Central Park on Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas. This is one of the most relaxing neighborhoods on the ship, a real outdoor garden oasis right in the middle of the ocean. Our tour starts here at Izumi, the ship's Japanese restaurant. You'll find fresh sushi, hibachi tables, and even a walk-up window if you want a quick bite on the go. And they even have ice cream. This is perfect if you're craving something light while you're enjoying the park. Just steps away is Chop's Grille, Royal Caribbean's signature steakhouse. Known for its prime cuts and rich sides, it's a go-to classic for a date night at sea or a solo evening to enjoy yourself. If you love a good steak, this is where you want to be. Above us are the Central Park view balconies. These staterooms don't face the ocean, but instead overlook the garden below. It's a quieter alternative with a unique atmosphere. Right in the heart of Central Park is the Trellis Bar. This is a favorite stop for a cocktail or mocktail surrounded by greenery. At night, it's one of the most atmospheric places to grab a drink as you wait for dinner or before a show. One thing I love about this ship is although it is massive, everything is connected, and you will find a quick staircase to Royal Promenade and will land you just above the Pearl. If you're looking for a more casual dining option, Park Cafe is your quick service option here in Central Park. With breakfast sandwiches, salads, and paninis, this makes an easy grab and go stop, especially if you're heading off the ship for a shore excursion. But remember, you're not supposed to take those with you. Are those bubbles that I see? Yes, Central Park comes fully equipped with a champagne bar. Whether it's for brunch or a pre-dinner bottle of bubbly, this is your spot to get your champagne fix. And what will be a Central Park without shopping? There are jewelry and watch options right here for you to window shop or partake in the actual thing. As the sun sets, Central Park comes alive with live music from acoustic sets to smooth jazz at Lou's. The string lights turn on and it feels more like a city park at night than being on a cruise ship. And that is a full walkthrough of Central Park on Star of the Seas. Whether you're here for a quiet coffee in the morning, a romantic dinner, or a cocktail with live music at night, this neighborhood is truly one of the most magical places at sea. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to subscribe for more tours and tips from Royal Caribbean's newest ship. I hope you enjoyed that tour of Central Park here on Star of the Seas. If you want to see more content like this, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.